All right, fifth grade, we're now into our last lesson of the week. It's kind of a fun one because it's about recipes for baking cakes. So we're going to be using recipes and fractions today. However, here's the clue. It's not just subtraction. You have to pay careful attention because today you're going to be using addition and subtraction. So, not just what we've been learning the past 3 weeks, but what we've been learning the past 6 weeks. We're going to put into practice. Okay? Let's jump into it. All right, guys. So, Susan is going to make a pineapple cake and an angel cake for the bake sale. Here is a list of ingredients she needs for the pineapple cake. And here is a list of ingredients she needs for the angel cake. Our first question asks us, how many cups of flour will Susan need for the cakes? Okay, so how many cups of flour will she need for the cakes? How many cakes? 2 cakes. Well, let's look at pineapple. How much flour does she need for pineapple? 2.5. How much flour does she need for angel? 3/4. This is important that she looks at the ingredients before she starts baking. So she can look in her cupboard and say, do I have enough flour or do I need to go to the store and buy some? Well, since she's making 2 cakes and combining the amount of flour she needs, we're actually going to need to use addition for this one, okay? So let's do 2.5 plus 3/4. All right. Now I have an addition problem. Is that all the flour I need? Yes, it is. Problem is I can't add yet because I've got 2 different denominators. So look at your tens charts. 2 and 4, can they be changed into a common denominator? Yes, a 2 can be changed into a 4. So let's do that. Addition sign, equal bar. How do you change a 2 into a 4? 2 times 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. Let's rewrite the fraction. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. My whole number stays the same. 3/4, I don't need to change because that has a denominator of 4. 3/4. All right, now that I have a common denominator, I can add. Denominator stays 4. Add the numerators. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 gets me 5. Whole number 2 plus nothing gets me 2. Uh-oh, 5 is bigger than 4 though. So I need to regroup. Remember how we regroup? Use your little thought bubble in the corner. Division bar. Numerator goes in the box. Denominator goes out. Whole number is your answer. Remainder is your new numerator. So let's do that. Five goes in the box. 4 goes out. 5 divided by 4 is 1. 5 subtract 4 is remainder 1. So this 1 whole gets combined with these 2 wholes. So 1 whole plus 2 wholes gets me 3 wholes. See that? 2 plus 1 is 3. My new numerator is going to be 1 because that's my remainder. My denominator is still going to be 4. So now I have 3 1/4. Well, what am I talking about? It's right here, my question. Cups of flour. So how many cups of flour will Susan need? She'll need 3 1/4 cups. So she can look in her cupboard and see, do I have 3 3/4 cups? Or do I need to go to the store because I don't have enough? All right, guys, put that into practice today on 2 can fraction number 21.